Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a passport copy. First, understand that notarization verifies a document's authenticity. We will cover gathering your original passport and a clear photocopy, finding a qualified notary public, and the steps they take to certify your copy. This process ensures your passport copy is legally recognized for various official purposes, providing peace of mind and compliance with requirements. Before visiting a notary, ensure you have your original, valid passport ready. You will also need a clear, legible photocopy of the identification page. It is crucial not to sign, mark, or alter this copy in any way beforehand. The notary needs to see the original to compare it accurately. Taking these simple steps will streamline your notarization process significantly, saving you time and effort. When you meet the notary public, present both your original passport and the prepared photocopy. The notary's primary role is to verify your identity and confirm that the copy is a true and accurate reproduction of the original document. They will then affix their official seal and signature to the photocopy, certifying its authenticity. This official endorsement makes your passport copy legally valid for its intended use. Always confirm the specific requirements of the institution requesting the notarized copy, as some may have unique stipulations. Be prepared for notary fees, which typically range from $5 to $20, depending on your location and the notary. Remember, a notarized copy is distinct from a certified true copy issued directly by the passport agency. Keep your notarized document secure and consider making extra copies for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.